a brick floor, you need to back up right now. Yo, back up, back up. I need all bros to back up. You want to push them? I'm going to put you in the dog pile right now. Back up, let's go. No bros even behind us. S2K13 Pro, the stage is all yours. Back up! Back up right now, let's go! S2K13 started, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I need you guys to quiet down. They need to hear each other. You guys need to quiet down. Down to the sun like a biggie rock, baby, baby. Dogpile. No, I need all boxes out of the way also. No, no one is going to all these boxes out of the way. I don't need nothing breaking on you guys. No, back up. Back the fuck up. No, back up. Right now. S2K13, last step, let's go. No, quiet